made it to the laundrette. So this is the laundry room on deck 7. It is opposite room 7590. So here we go. So we have welcome to deck 7 laundrette. There's 5 washers and 6 dryers. Sanitizer. And there is an iron. Then here you can buy fabric softener and detergent. And then they are, as you can see, really big dryers and washing machines. So there's like 14, but 2 are out of action at the minute. There's quite a lot. It looks like it's $3 to do a wash. I'm assuming it's going to be $3 to do a dry as well. And it tells you like how to do it. So it says like that's the dryer and that's the washer. So we're going to try and set one off and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so that was a lot easier than what I thought. So basically I'll just show you here. So you tap your keys to the world card on the holder here. And then it comes up saying purchase tokens, view your purchase tokens or return unused tokens. So I pressed purchase and then I bought 1 cycle of washing, 1 cycle of drying, and then I pressed purchase. I'm not going to press it because I'm not doing that. But if I view what I bought, you can see that I've used my wash cycle. I have 1 dry cycle left and I haven't used any of the laundry cycles. So when you buy them, it basically goes on to your keys of the world card. So then what you do is you take your keys of the world card and you can tap it on here if you are wanting to redeem your one for the soap and conditioner, or you tap it on here if you are wanting to redeem your one for the dryer or the washing machine. So I tapped it on here and redeemed my washing one, so I could use this washing machine, and now it's come up in use and it's saying that it's locked, it's on a normal wash with 28 minutes. So you can either do power wash, normal, delicate, so you can options to the temperature or an extra rinse. So I just put on a normal wash, I put 2 washing machine tablets in because these dryers are huge. So I put all of our washing in, and I put 3 colour caps in. It probably won't need 3, but I'm just a bit cautious because I've shoved it all in together. And then I'm going to come back in half an hour and I'll show you the process again. I will be tapping on here, so you do it underneath. I'm going to do it now in case it redeems it, and then I'm going to put it in the dryer. So this is the dryers. They are pretty deep, and I'll show you a washing machine that isn't in use, just so you can see they're not like washing machines, they are like really, really huge. So that is the laundry room on deck 7. It is quite confusing because unless you know it's here, you wouldn't know it's here because the door says this. So I've just opened the door into this laundry room and the door's normally kept shut on it like that. So you wouldn't actually know that that is a laundry room.